to show you how to play Blue Moon by the Marcels. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com and I have them there for you. So the first thing to look at in this song is to get that bop, 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 a dang, 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 and that's going to be on a D. D, 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 A, D, 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 A, A, D, 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 A, D, 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 A, D, D, C, B, D. You can finger it however you want to. Works best for me with middle finger and thumb, but then you got to change your ring finger to when you go. So you got to work your fingers around. All we're going to do in the left hand is just a D and an A. So you're just going to play that right. It's synchronized in the letter notes, but I'm going to slow it down so you can see it. Over the top of that, they don't. So when I'm doing it, I don't ever finish it. I don't finish it. I go right into the blue moon, blue moon, blue moon, dip, 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 moon, 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 moon. So we got right there into the moon, 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 blue moon. So we got moon, moon, moon. We're into the blue moon right there. So we've got. Now this next time we're going into blue moon. So I don't even go down. The first time you go D, D, C, B, blue moon, blue moon. So it just moves right on through there, but it goes, it's a quick blue moon, blue moon. This second time it goes into the blue moon. So I leave that B out of there. Now let me play that far slowly. Show you this. The left hand's going to go G, G, E, E, C, D, G, G, E, E, C, D, G, G, E, E, C, D, D. And it's a little bit tricky to synchronize. You're going to have to practice because your right hand's going G, G, E, E, A, dip, 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 G, F sharp, E, G, C. So we put them together and it'll sound like this. G, G. Is pretty easy because you got D, C, D, E, D, D, C, D, A, B, C, B, B, A, B, G, A, B, G, G, E, and then instead of going down to this E, you're going to go up to E, F sharp, B, D. Now that's tricky because you want to go down right there. So instead of going, don't play it down here, you go up there. E, F sharp, B, D. And then we go back into the D. Now your left hand is pretty consistent through most of it. G, G, E, E, C, D, G. So when we get to A at the bottom because we're just setting that D tonality. And then hold it just slightly and then go right back into the, only this is a short little interlude. And then it goes right back into the Blue Moon. But this time, we get that all. There's an extra note. And then we go into the kind of a bridge chorus there. But that second time, to the go right into the C in the left hand and back to the G in the left hand. And then it's a little wah 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 wah. That right there, you're going to play A G. And then your left hand is just going to do two things: G C G C G C G C G D. Into that. But all through that bridge chorus, you're just going to go G, C, and then switch to G, D. G back to G, C, and then we end it with an A. It's like an A7 in there because that G will come in a second. But you've got your A, C sharp, E, then A, and then the C sharp and the E. So we got. Switch on this D, back to the C, back to the G, D now. Back to the C, now to the D. Here comes the D right. Here comes the A chord right there. Off of it and then let this carry through. Now hold that just for a second. They come right in on top of it. But you want to hold that. You want to hold that just for a second because you've got it. You can't, they come right in on top of it and you can't finish out the melody line and jump into that other thing without missing some of it. So what I'll do is I'll just hold it right there and then we go right into the right into it. Now here I'm going to change the left hand. So I'm going to get boom, 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 boom. So it goes back that moon, 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 dip, dip, dip. So we can't play everything, but I'm going to get that line instead of this bass line. I'll get this coming down in the bass. So it's G, F sharp, E, G, C, D, G, F sharp, E, G, C, D. So I'll change the bass right there. And this is that. They're just singing that on an O syllable, and then when they go up to the B up here, they're going to go to an ah syllable. But we've got that. We're coming out of that that reprise verse, and jump up. You end on this B. And just playing that down in tenths right there. See, we got an extra octave, but you've got a B, A, G with the G, F sharp, E. And then, while you're up here, just play the ba 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 ding 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 in this octave. Because it gives a little more contrast to the bass note, and it sounds a little different, so I kind of like it just to stay up there in that octave, and then you go to that last boom with the bass is going to be a D and a G. So it'll sound like this with that. There you have it, Blue Moon by the Marcels. I hope you enjoy working on it.